Okay, so I got a double from In-N-Out, super good, and I got animal style fries. So, oh my god, like, oh my god, I'm making a mess. I'm like frantic right now because I had such a long day. Oh my god, it was insane. I'm gonna insert clips at the end after I'm done eating if you want to watch. But okay, so I went to Poway Lake because I wanted to go to, like, I don't know, some hiking trail, like Potato Chip Rock or something. And you know, I was trying to park closer so that it wouldn't be so far away. But I don't know if I parked in like the wrong spot or something. Like, I parked along the highway, but I couldn't get in that way. So I ended up having to go to Poway Lake and entering the trail to go to Potato Rock or whatever that way. And going that way, oh my god, I wasn't expecting this hike to be so brutal. And if I had known, I would not have gone all the way up there. Like, and it was raining. Like, we went up and you can't see anything because there was so much fog there. Like, we were in a cloud. And oh my god, just let me show you. We walked 7.5 miles. We went up 154 floors. I don't know, honestly, I've been like hiking before in the high desert. Like, I love hiking. This hike took us a while. I just wasn't expecting it, you know. I wasn't ready for this long of a hike. I wasn't prepared at all. The plan in my mind was that we would go hiking a little bit, you know, see some, I don't know, see some nice scenery, whatever. And then I was hoping, you know, like we could get some exercise in before we went to eat tacos. At the taco shack. And honestly, like, I'm so tired right now. My legs hurt so bad. Like, I'm so tired that I'm not even really hungry. I mean, no, I am hungry though, but oh my god. Did you eat both of them? Oh, okay. My boyfriend got 2 doubles. No fries though. But yeah, that was too much. It was way too fucking much for us, at least, like, for right now, you know. We didn't plan for it. So where we parked to, the park closed at 5. We got up to the top around 3:30. We had an hour and a half to get back to the parking lot before they close. And like, we were making pretty good time going down the mountain, but we took a wrong freaking turn, and it ended up on the other side of the lake. Like, where we parked, we parked here, let's say, and there's a lake, a giant lake, and then we were here when we should have been here. So we had to walk back. Look. I didn't think I was gonna make it. I was telling my boyfriend to leave me. To go without me. Oh my god. Like, for real, if this was life or death or something, I think I would die. I would die super fast because I just don't have the will to keep going, you know? Like, I would just be like, okay, fuck it, just kill me. You know? I think I would be scared though, because, I mean, like, if you get caught by a psychopath and they kill you fast, at least, you know, you don't even realize. Like, at least you don't even realize. But what if they capture you and torture you? No. I don't want that. Then I would run for my life. Like, I would be running until my body fucking gives out. It's so good. I love In-N-Out because their prices are so good for like a burger and fries and stuff. It's such a good price. It's like the same price as a McDonald's meal actually, and it's way better. By a lot. I didn't get a drink because I had Taco Bell earlier. But yeah, I'm hoping I'll be able to get the tacos, and I want carne asada fries. So I'm hoping I'll be able to get that maybe tomorrow even. I don't know. Maybe I can get it tomorrow. Because I saw photos and it looks so good. It looks amazing. And I really want to try it. Ah! Oh my god. It was a long day. A really long day. It was so brutal. My god. Oh my god. I'm making a mess. Oh. Yes, I didn't get the pepperoncini, the peppers. Uh-oh. Oh my god, how did I make such a mess? What the heck? My legs are so sore. They're so sore right now, like, damn. It was longer and harder than I was expecting, honestly. Like, I really haven't been hiking in 2 years, and where we are in Canada, there's like not even any hills, basically. It's super flat. I don't know. I wish I could go hiking like every day or a few times a week. It's so good for you. Maybe not something that long and intense though. That's only for like once in a while. I'm really full now. I'm like all soaked, so I'm gonna shower real quick. Do some laundry. I'm sad I didn't get tacos. Like, honestly, I wasn't really craving this, but like I couldn't find the will to drive all the way there, get out of the car, wait. Like, I really just wanted to get back. Oh my god, it was such a mess today. Memorable though. I always stopped by Walmart to get some Yu-Gi-Oh deck. So my boyfriend and I were gonna play soon. Anyway, yep, I'm super full now. I'm so exhausted. I cannot wait till I'm all clean and showered and like cozy in bed, you know. It's cold, it's raining outside, and it was a long day, so yep. Anyway, I will definitely be getting the tacos. I mean, maybe I'll get it tomorrow and then I'll post this one after that one anyway, but yeah, we'll see. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and hopefully you guys are eating something delicious too. Yes, that's it. See you later. Bye. Okay, so we're gonna go up maybe the Mount Woodson summit. I don't know. Mountain Lions. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay. Ooh, check it out. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it. Oh my god. We're halfway there. It's kind of rough. Haven't been hiking in so long. Okay, let me try to get up there right now. Oh, you guys, I need help. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god, awesome. As the sun came out a little bit. Oh my god, 1.3 more miles. It smells like weed. I love it. What? It smells like weed? Yeah, it smells good, huh? Oh, look at the sky. Amazing. So it turns out we still have 1.3 miles. I swear to God, we've been walking for a mile already when the last person said only 1.3 more miles up. But, okay. Wait, is that rain? Or is that the sun? Oh, I think that's the sun. Damn. I'm breathing so heavily right now. Ooh. It's so awesome. I love it. I love it. Doesn't it feel good? Yep. So we're gonna snack on some oranges. I guess that's it. You guys, I think that's the rock. Like, tell me if I'm mistaken. I think that's the rock. Oh my god, you can't see anything up here right now. It's so foggy. It's raining a lot now.